Hi guys, we're making Game Pass on Roblox right now. Go to the three dots on your settings. Then click create. Then create. Click place. Click place. Click place. Then click the three lines. Click the three lines. And then find passes. If you find passes, do create a pass. Then name any pass you want. Then if you made the name, go to the three lines again and click sales. And click item for sale. Any price would work. For example, mine is 1 million. Right? Okay, then save changes. Once you click save changes, back and go to please donate or other donation games. Okay. For example, I'll do please donate. Okay, I join. We will wait. Be patient, guys. Sorry if it was so lag. Okay, find a place or booth. Then